Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birth date on your account on personal settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click here, now click settings and now click personal information, and here you will find birth date. Just click on it and here you can change it, and after this click update, and that's it. It will be added, it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.